Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Dunn's River Falls in Ocho Rios. And we are going to give you an update on the Dunn's River Falls master renovation plan. Now, Dunn's River Falls is the number one attraction in Jamaica. Almost every tourist that comes to Jamaica visits the falls. It could be the number one tourist attraction in the entire Caribbean. But what's happening is people come, spend a few hours, 2, 3 hours, climb the falls, and then leave. But the UDC wants to change that. They want to put in more attractions at the falls so that it can be where people can spend the entire day at the falls. You know, like how you have these theme parks in the US where people come and spend the entire day. They want to do that here at the falls. So climbing the falls would be the main attraction, but you're going to have other places you can go and do other activities. So that will also increase the revenue earned from the falls. So we're going to give you more information on what they have planned here. And Dunn's River Falls sits on over 120 acres of land. So none of the renovations or the new attractions they're going to put in will affect the falls itself. That will never happen. So this is on other land around the falls. Dunn's River Falls is one of the most celebrated natural attractions and a symbol of the island's beauty. Located in Ocho St. Anne, the world-famous waterfall welcomes hundreds of thousands of visitors each year from across the globe. To preserve its natural environment while improving the visitor experience, the Urban Development Corporation (UDC), through the St. Anne Development Company, has implemented a comprehensive master plan focused on upgrading and renovation of the attraction. The master plan is designed to modernize Dunn's River Falls without compromising its unique character. Its primary objective is to ensure that the attraction remains one of the Caribbean's premier ecotourism destinations while protecting the waterfall, surrounding forests, and marine environment. By combining conservation with carefully planned development, the project seeks to provide visitors with a safer, more comfortable, and more memorable experience. As part of the renovation program, several important improvements have already been completed. Visitor facilities have been upgraded with modern changing rooms, improved restrooms, wider walkways, enhanced safety features, and better accessibility throughout the park. Beautiful landscape gardens, picnic areas, and shaped relaxation spaces have also been added, creating a more welcoming environment for families and tour groups. The master plan has expanded the range of attractions available at the park. New recreational facilities, including a children's splash pad, adventure experiences such as falls, flyer, zipline, upgraded retail shops, restaurants, and craft markets, provide visitors with more activities beyond climbing the famous waterfall. These additions encourage guests to spend more time at the attraction, increasing economic benefits for local businesses and the wider tourism industry. Environmental sustainability remains a central focus of the redevelopment. Careful management of the site's natural resources helps protect the waterfalls, rivers, vegetation, and wildlife while ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy the remarkable national treasure. Looking ahead, the long-term vision includes adding ecotourism attractions, cultural and educational exhibits, improved parking and transportation systems, expanded event spaces, and continued investment in environmental conservation. These future developments will further enhance the attraction while preserving the natural beauty that has made Dunn's River Falls famous around the world. In conclusion, the Dunn's River Falls Master Plan is an important investment in Jamaica's tourism sector and natural heritage. Through thoughtful upgrading and renovation, the project is transforming the attraction into a modern, sustainable, and internationally competitive destination while protecting its unique environment. As the master plan continues to unfold, Dunn's River Falls will remain one of Jamaica's greatest national treasures, contributing to economic growth, job creation, and unforgettable experiences for visitors from around the world. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.